What's up, everyone? We are here looking at a property. This is a different play. What I was thinking is, how can we take on this property by buying it, doing a renovation, working with the seller, and actually making a profit where everybody wins. This is a laundry room. This is an estate sale. And some of the things were upgraded. The kitchen. The appliances seem to be older. So for something in this area, which is in Brooklyn, it would need to be updated. You have a closet in here. So what does it really mean? And what is the strategy? The strategy is pretty much to take what already is available. There is no liens on this property, as I understand. There's no mortgages. So to take and invest just based on renovation. Once it is renovated, put it on the market. Now, a lot of times, the home buyer would want a ready, done, move-in ready property. So, these shaggy style old carpets would need to go. Hardwood floors would need to be put in. New doors. It has been painted all around. This bathroom would definitely need to be updated, which we're looking at about $15,000 to make it up to date. New tub, new tiles, new bathroom, vanity, mirror. The bathrooms are pretty solid. Again, new floors, closets. Right, so the question is, how do we add value, right? This property needs to be sold. It's been sitting on the market. It's been on COVID. Due to COVID, it hasn't been sold, but has been updated somewhat. And when I say updated, I mean it's been spiced up. What does it mean to be spiced up? Well, it's been painted, right? The things that we could do now is actually change up the other areas that have been touched. For example, like the outlets, right? They're old outlets. We can change the outlets and make it look brand new. We can go ahead and change the vent. The windows do look pretty old, so I would have to look at the comps and see what exactly is selling in the area and what kind of finishes. I'm gonna say comps is comparables as in recently sold within 6 months, how much was it sold for, and what was the finish, right? How long did it sit in the market? Some properties could sell a lot higher than others, but you got to make sure you're looking at days on the market. And days on the market is what justifies how much money, how much time you're sitting on the market after it's finished, right? So if you have hard money, private money, or any kind of a money that you have to pay interest on, those you still have to pay interest on while it's selling. You can only stop paying interest once the bank or the loan officer got their payment back, returned to them. So, again, going over this property, it definitely needs some work. The layout is pretty interesting. It has what needs to be done. It's a 1.5 bathroom, 3 bedroom, about 1,500 square feet. Again, as is, this is definitely not something that would be sold, right? It needs to be upkept in a better scenario. So, pretty much at this point, we're just talking and seeing what exactly can be done, where we don't actually purchase the house. What we do is go ahead and renovate it, right? So the owner keeps the house. He doesn't do anything to the house. we come in, sign a contract, we add value to it. We ourselves as investors, we add the actual money to do the renovation. So with that being said, we add money to the renovation. We can do two plays. One play would be, hey, this is what you want. You won't get it unless you renovate it. So why don't we just do this? We'll do your asking price. We'll add value, or a little lower than asking price. We'll add value. You get what you want, and whatever we make on top, the profit on our end, we keep. And what we're doing is we're adding value by adding our own cost and time. The other option is, hey, this is what you want. Let's go on a contract for that. We'll invest the money, right, for the renovation, and then whatever profit is there, we'll split it 50-50. All right, so the two different plays, and that's something you can talk to the owner. And again, real estate is such an amazing, powerful vehicle that you can do either or, right? You can do one or the other. So super interesting. Just wanted to show you some strategies and the property that I'm taking a look at. So again, be good, be great, be blessed. Take care.